All right, here we go. Hooked up on a good one. This will be the first big fish out of the boat. This is a big one. This is a really big fish. Not even using a good rod. Using one of these cruddy ones, and this feels like walleye, to be quite honest with you. But it feels like one of the largest walleye I think I've ever caught. I'll be fully honest with you. I think it might be a catfish. I think it's a catfish. He was caught up in something. He's working me. Dumbers. What do we have here? This is a channel cat. It's not a bad one though. Probably 6 or 7 pounds. I got this drag cleaned up. I haven't used this rod in probably 6 years, so. I think he's got it in his gut. Gotta clean this drag up though. Fine, looks gonna be good. There we go. This little tiny one here. Yeah, buddy. That's a fat channel cat, dude. Dude, y'all be eating this one. That's how clean he is. Oh. Alright, let's get him up. I haven't had a channel cat picture on the John in a while here, so. And that's when I lost him. God damn, this dude is just... If I had a net, he'll let him tire himself out. He's a strong one though. He's fat, dude. I want him. Let's go, buddy. He is fat. I keep tightening this drag down, thinking I'm gonna be able to bring him in. I don't know how much drag I got on this thing right now, but dude, this thing is just bloated up like a freaking tank. Where's my freaking glove? This thing is just absolutely, I don't know what's in his stomach, but he is stupid fat. Hang on, y'all. Dude, this thing's fat. This is the fattest channel cat I ever caught. I bet you this dude probably weighs 10 pounds. I don't know, probably 8 pounds. He's kind of short though. Oh, a nice 8-pounder. Come here, buddy. Xi Jinping. Got my Xi Jinping motor going on here. Ah, shit. And he's hooked good. I apologize. Come here, buddy. He does not want to quit here. I got this braid going in it. Oh, buddy. Look at this. That's a pretty good channel. Yeah. That's a pretty good channel cat right there. Look at his belly, though. You'll see my broken thumb. I gotta find my pliers. Well, it's a cat. The cat I was looking for. Check this guy out. Let's see what we got for a measurement here. That is a big old cat. That is a tank cat, dude. What we got here? 26-inch on the old measuring tape. So I can't get my flash on. So here he is. You see right there. Oh, buddy. Come here. Open up. He wanted to bite. He was all about biting me earlier. Get out there. He was all about biting me earlier. Yeah, he's about 27 inches. My phone light doesn't want to work, but there we go. 27, 26 and a half, we'll call him. But he is big. Look at him. Look at the gut on that big old channel cat. Yeah, man. That's a good one. I'm going to get a picture of him. See if I can't. Yeah, here he is. Look at that, dude. Big old 27-inch channel cat. Sweet. Alright, get on in there, boy.